Good morning, everyone. This is Rohit Gupta. I am working as assistant professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology in Applied Science Department. My subject is probability and statistics. And I will teach you today today's topic: some questions of uniform distribution and Sebesev inequality. The continuous random variable. In previous classes, I have taught you uniform distribution, then normal distribution, uniform distribution and normal distribution. Uniform distribution in this is the question of uniform distribution. The continuous random variable x is uniformly distributed with mean mu is equals to 1.5 and variance is equals to 27 by 4. 27 by 4. Find the probability of x greater than 0. X is uniformly distributed. As a solution, x is uniformly distributed over AB. This is a uniform distribution. X is uniformly distribution over AB, where x is a continuous random. We know that PDF of uniform distribution f of x is equals to 1 upon b minus a, x greater or equal to a and less or equals to b. Otherwise, its value will be 0. Means यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का जो पीडीएफ था मींस प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन b माइनस a, बिकॉज हमने इसको प्रीवियस क्लास में डिस्कस किया हुआ था 1 अपॉन b माइनस a. सो एंड इट्स अदरवाइज इट्स वैल्यू विल बी 0. मींस माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू a के बीच में 0 और b टू इन्फिनिटी के बीच में वैल्यू क्या होगी इसकी 0. अंडरस्टूड है? ओके, देन वी नो दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x इज इक्वल्स टू म्यू इक्वल्स टू b प्लस a by 2. Then and variance of x is equals to b minus a ka whole square by 2. We know that in case of uniform distribution, just a second. There is some technical issue, so expectation of x is equals to b plus a by 2 and variance of x is equals to b minus a ka whole square by 12. So put the value, because we know that mu equals to b plus a by 2 and mu is equals to 1.5 is given, because value of mean is equals to 1.5. तो mean की वैल्यू mean क्या होता है? mu होता है. वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, b plus a by 2 is equals to 1.5. so a plus b is equals to 3. Understood है? Okay, just a second. And there are two unknowns a and b, then we require two equations. As we know that variance of x is equals to 1 by 12 b minus a ka whole square. Then what is the variance of x in questions given? That is 27 by 4. So I have put the value of variance, that is 27 by 4. Understood? Okay, then 1 by 12 b minus a ka whole square. Then 4 से 12 cancel out, that is 3. Then 27 into 3, that is 81. So b minus a ka whole square is equals to 81. b minus a is equal to plus minus 9. So we have taken the only plus sign. b minus a is equals to 9. This is the second equation. First equation a plus b is equals to 3 and second equation is b minus a is equals to 9. So we can solve it so by substitution method. So when we add these two equations, so a cancel out, 2b equal to 12. So b equal to 6. Put in equation number 2 the value of b equal to 6. Put in equation number 2. Then 6 minus a is equals to 9. Then a equals to minus 3. So this differential equation is x is uniformly, then a equals to minus 3 and b equals to 6. Then put the value, then x is uniformly distributed over minus 3 to 6. Then its PDF is equals to f of x equals to 1 upon b minus a on over a to b, otherwise its value will be 0. Then put the value of b equals to 6 and a equals to minus 3. So b equals to 6, I have put it here, minus 3. Then 1 by 6 plus 3, that is minus plus. So 1 upon 6 plus 3, that is 9. So x is minus 3 to 6 के बीच में, that is 1 upon 9. otherwise value will be 0. It's a PDF, means probability density function. So we want to find the probability of x greater than 0, means हमें किस पे वैल्यू निकालनी है, greater than 0 पे. How can I find? We know that the formula, that is 0 to infinity f of x dx. Understood? Because want to find the probability from x greater than 0, तो मैंने 0 to infinity पे लिख दिया. 0 to infinity f of x dx. We break this integral sign into 0 to 6 plus 6 to infinity. Because it's a positive sign, तो -3 to 6 के बीच में वैल्यू कितनी है? -3 to 6 के बीच में वैल्यू कितनी है? 1/9. तो f of x की वैल्यू मैंने रख दी 0 से 6 के बीच में 1/9. अदरवाइज वैल्यू विल बी 0. तो 0 को जब इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 0. फिर 1/9 कॉमन, बिकॉज इट्स अ कांस्टेंट, सो इट इज आउटसाइड द इंटीग्रल साइन. तो d1 का इंटीग्रेशन x में अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट, तो अपर लिमिट इज 6 एंड लोअर लिमिट इज 0. देन पुट द वैल्यू, तो 6 minus 0 upon 9, तो 6/9, तो 3 से 6 cancel, that is 2, and 3 से 9 cancel, that is not 3. That my answer will be 2/3. So then, if any probability, if any uniform distribution is given, if there is mean and variance is given, then you have to find the value of its a and b. Then you find the value of a and b. After finding the value of a and b, then find the probability of function, probability of that uniform function. Understood? पहले हमें क्या निकालना, अगर हमारे पास एक यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, दैट मींस द कंटीन्यूअस रैंडम वेरिएबल x is uniformly distributed with mean is equals to 1.5 and variance is equals to 27/4, then find probability x greater than 0. मींस आप इसके केस में पहले क्या करोगे, मुझे पहले a और b की वैल्यू निकालनी होगी. वो किसकी हेल्प से निकालो, बिकॉज वी नो दैट मीन इज इक्वल्स टू b plus a/2. तो एक इक्वेशन मिल जाएगी. दूसरी इक्वेशन निकलेगी 1/12 b minus a का होल स्क्वायर. सेकंड इक्वेशन में लिखेगी 2 इक्वेशन 2 अननोन, देन वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इट. देन b की वैल्यू 6 मिलेगी और a की वैल्यू -3. और हम जब वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो वी नो दैट we have find the value of PDF. Then we know that the formula of probability, that is if x greater than 0 पे निकालना, तो 0 to infinity f of x dx. तो f of x की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे 0 to 6 पे और 6 to infinity पे. तो f of x की वैल्यू क्या है, 1/9 dx. 6 to infinity 0 dx. तो जब 0 का इंटीग्रल क्या होगा, 0, और 1/9 टेकन एज अ कॉमन, और 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x हो जाएगा 0 to 6. वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो 6/9 आ जाएगा. दैट आंसर विल बी 2/3. Now it's done. Okay. Now we shifted on another question. Suppose x is uniformly distributed over the interval -a to +a. This is -a to +a. Okay. A positive. Determine is such that first probability of x greater than 1. Then its value will be 1/4. If probability of x less than 1/2, then probability is equals to 0.6. Then determine the value. There is, then we have find two value of a, because if probability of x greater than 1 पे वैल्यू निकालेंगे तो 1/4 आएगा, उससे एक वैल्यू a का निकलेगा. दूसरा probability of x less than 1 पे जब 1/2 पे निकालेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 0.6, उससे एक वैल्यू निकलेगा. Understood? As we know that x is uniformly distributed, then x is uniform distributed over -a to a, then f of x, its PDF, is equals to 1/b minus a. So b की a minus of -a, that is minus plus a, that is 1/2a. This is your PDF. Then f of x is equals to 1/2a. From here the x equal to -a to a, and otherwise its value will be 0. Means f of x की जो वैल्यू होगी -a से a के बीच में वो होगी 1/2a. अदरवाइज क्या होगा इसकी वैल्यू 0. मींस -∞ टू -a के बीच में 0 और a टू इंफिनिटी के बीच में वैल्यू क्या होगी, 0. मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी किस पे फाइंड करना, मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी किस पे गिवन है, प्रोबेबिलिटी x ग्रेटर देन 1 पे गिवन है. प्रोबेबिलिटी x ग्रेटर देन 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 1/4. देन प्रोबेबिलिटी x ग्रेटर देन 1 पे क्या वैल्यू, दैट मींस 1 टू इंफिनिटी. अरे मुझे 1 से बड़े पे वैल्यू चाहिए ना, तो कहां से कहां तक उसने, 1 से इंफिनिटी. तो f of x dx, because we know that a is positive, that means it must be greater than 1. Okay, that is 1 to a, f of x plus f of x dx plus a to infinity f of x dx. Okay, got it? then we have to integrate this one first. Then put the value f of x 1 to a के बीच में क्या होगा 1 by 2a dx plus a to infinity के बीच में क्या होगा 0. पुट कर दिया वैल्यू तो 1 by 2a I have taken common. Sorry, I have taken common. So 1 by 2a x into x, 1 का integration is x, upper limit is a and lower limit is 1. Then put the value that is a minus 1. 2 से 4 cancel out. Then it will be 2. Then 1 by 2 equals to a minus 1 upon a. Then cross multiplication. Then a equal to 2a minus 2. Then we can simplify it. Taken a another side and 2 taken this side. Then a is equals to 2. This is your answer. If I want to find another one, then probability of x less than 1 by 2. Same question. आपको same करना है. f of x क्या होगा 1 by 2, 1 by 2a. PDF same होगा. Probability of x less than 1 by 2 पे क्या होगा 0.6. इसमें फार्मूला चेंज हो जाएगा तो ये फार्मूला कहां से कहां तक आएगा लेस देन 1 by 2. That means this is 0 से 1 by 2. Understood? Either we can say that minus infinity to a minus infinity to minus a and minus a to 1 by 2. Minus a to 1 by 2 के बीच में कितना होगा that is 1 by 2a. वहां से करोगे आप आपको वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. Understood? Now we shifted on another topic that is Chebyshev inequality. Then another part do it by yourself. Okay, ये आपके लिए exercise है आप अपने आप करिए. Okay, another topic is Chebyshev inequality. This is most important. In previous year examination they have asked what is Chebyshev inequality in 2.5 marks. Okay, first they asked only statement. Okay, statement and formula. Okay, then write down Chebyshev inequality is a probabilistic inequality. Understood? It provides an upper bound to the probability that the absolute deviation of a random variable from its mean. Statement क्या है ये आपसे नहीं पूछेंगे. It's an introduction of Chebyshev inequality. Means what is Chebyshev inequality? Chebyshev inequality is a probabilistic inequality only. It provides upper bound to the probability to the that the absolute deviation of a random variable about from its mean. What is the statement? Let x be a random variable having finite mean mu and finite variance sigma square. Let k belong a positive real number. Then the following inequality probability of mod of x minus mu greater than or equal to k is less or equal to sigma square upon k square. Just again, x is a random variable having finite mean. This is the most important thing. Having finite mean and finite variance, and k must be positive real number. It's the most important. Finite mean, finite variance, and k is a positive number. Then the following inequality, that means probability of modulus of x minus mu is greater or equals to k is less or equals to sigma square upon k square, where mu is a mean and sigma square is a variance and k is a positive real number. For following inequality, this inequality is called Chebyshev inequality. In previous year examination, this statement and this formula is asked in 2019. Okay, so this is most important. The proof is applicable of Markov inequality. Means Markov inequality is not in your syllabus. Chebyshev inequality is an application of, means special case of Markov inequality, and we will discuss the proof because sometimes ask the proof of Chebyshev inequality also in 7.5 marks. अगर आपका proof statement आएगा तो 7.5 marks में आएगा. अगर आपका statement आता है what is Chebyshev inequality तो आपको simply आपको क्या लिखना है statement, then आपको ये formula और आपको define कर देना है that is sigma square is a variance and mu is a mean and k is a positive real number only. But that's it. Okay, and in examination, competition examination, they have asked what is means Chebyshev inequality is a special case of Markov inequality or not. So then you can say that Chebyshev inequality is a application or special case of Markov inequality. Understood? Okay. Proof. Since we know that modulus, x minus mu का whole square is a positive random variable. Means x, अरे स्क्वायर के बाहर जो भी वैल्यू आएगी किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर कर देंगे तो क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव रैंडम वेरिएबल. We can apply Markov's inequality. Means Markov's inequality when we apply, then we know probability of modulus of x minus mu का whole square is greater or equal to c is less or equal expectation of x minus mu का whole square upon c. Let's c equal to k square. Then we know that then put the value c equal to k square. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Probability of mod of x minus mu का whole square is greater or equal to k square is less or equal to x minus mu का whole square का expectation upon k square, because c की वैल्यू k square put कर दी. But x minus mu का whole square is greater or equal to k square if and only if x modulus of x minus mu is greater or equal to k. Because अगर x minus mu का होल है, किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो पॉजिटिव नंबर होगा, और अनदर साइड भी क्या है? पॉजिटिव नंबर है. अगर ये दोनों ही पॉजिटिव हैं तो इसका मतलब मॉड्यूलस ऑफ x minus mu is greater or equal to k square होगा always. Okay, so we can write, then we have write this, means probability of modulus of x minus mu is greater or equal to k is less or equal to expectation of x minus mu का whole square upon k square. As we know by the definition of variance, that is expectation of x minus mu का whole square is equal to variance, and variance is denoted by sigma square. Then put the value of modulus expectation of x minus mu का whole square in this equation. Then we know we have find probability of modulus of x minus mu का whole square, probability of modulus of x minus mu greater or equal to k is less or equal to sigma square upon k square. Okay, तो आपके एग्जामिनेशन में अगर 2.5 मार्क्स का, दिस इज अ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इन योर एमडीयू एग्जामिनेशन, फॉर योर एमडीयू एग्जामिनेशन, मींस आपके एग्जामिनेशन में बेसिकली मोस्ट प्रोबेबल केस में 2.5 मार्क्स में पूछा जाता है, दैट इज व्हाट इज Chebyshev inequality. Then you have to tell only the statement and this formula. Okay, in competition examination they ask Chebyshev inequality is a special case of Markov inequality. Then you said yes. Okay, and in some cases in lengthy means 7.5 में भी आपका ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. That means what is define Chebyshev inequality and prove that Chebyshev inequality is a special case of Markov inequality or application of Markov inequality. Then this is your proof. Means first आप क्या करोगे? That is Markov inequality means probability of x minus mu का whole square is greater or equal to c is less or equal to expectation of x minus mu का whole square upon c. Then you have to taken sc equal to k square. Then you have to then we obtain x minus mu का whole square is greater or equal to k square is less or equal to expectation of x minus mu का whole square upon k square. Then you have to put the value, and then so we can write probability of modulus of x minus mu greater or equal to k is less or equal to expectation of x minus mu का whole square upon k square. Further, by definition of variance, we have to find we know that expectation of x minus mu का whole square is equal to variance of x, which is denoted by sigma square. Then you put the value. This is your Chebyshev inequality. Okay, thank you so much.